The joys of having Daisy on board is every 3 hours she needs to go to shore.
Rainbow, a coonhound. Go.
She's so excited to go for a walk. She hates the halty. Daisy, you ready for a walk? Yeah, you ready for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Yeah?
She said, I just want to rub this off my face.
Everybody's putting up their Christmas lights here. These guys have some awesome lights up with Noel and some reindeer. This is Brentwood Bay Marina. Just heading in with Miss Daisy here. She needs to go for a walk. She's been on the boat for about 4 hours, so it's time to come to land for a little bit. But these guys all just live on board. They've got their plants. This is Curtsy. She's such a pretty boat. Look at that woodwork. All the solar panels. Sliver's a pretty boat. I think there's a whole family that lives on board there. And this is Brentwood Bay Lodge, and they've got a pub over there in that corner. It's a nice place to stop. They've got a dinghy dock here where you can just tie up to and go for wings and beer when COVID's over. We are truly blessed, though, to live in a beautiful place like Brentwood Bay. The trails around the area are perfect for walking dogs, and there's a dinghy dock right at Brentwood Bay Pub that we can bring the dinghy in and tie up to. So the only problem with living on a boat sometimes is mold. You get it everywhere. So this was in the master closet. Look at this bag now. I'm hoping if I take it home and take it and go put it in laundry, I can rescue it, but it gets everywhere. This is just a problem where we have leaks in the hull right now. Check out this one. That's just mold growing on top of there. Again, I'm hoping I can just chuck it all in the laundry and see what happens. Luckily, we didn't get any on my sweater, just a little bit on these pants, but that's okay. Those are easy to scrub off. The joys sometimes of a boat. What are you doing?
I'm trying to look into how to plumb the second loop on the hurricane heater. 2 loops.
2 loops?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Half loop and front loop.
And they're going to be separate loops on the hurricane heater.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's going to be so nice.
Mm-hmm.
So we only have to heat the back. We don't have to heat the front at the same time?
Correct.
I was just peeking into the engine room. Your generators are so far taken apart right now.
Yep, and they're going to be more so soon, hopefully.
You should do us a walkthrough of it pretty soon.
I should.
Yeah.
I will.
Okay. So it's mid-November here, and I don't know if you see this, but that guy is water skiing. I think he's water skiing, could be wakeboarding. But it's like seriously December next week. It's Black Friday weekend. He's having a blast though. I hope he's wearing a wetsuit. Woo! Look, it's Christmas time. Putting up the lights. Can't wait to put them up. They're LED lights. So I've got 3 strands. I wanted to go all the way around the boat, but didn't have enough. So that's okay. I'm excited to put these on. I just got to plug them in here. And I brought over my little Christmas tree. So I don't really want to put a real Christmas tree on the boat, but check it out. This is my driftwood Christmas tree. We collected the driftwood from Island View. It's got a little shell on it, and I love it. Yeah, getting ready for Christmas. Well, isn't this romantic? Barbecuing in the lights. What are we cooking? Steaks versus zucchini.
Haven't ground yet, 'cause that's not going to take very long to cook.
Oh. Mushrooms over here. This is how you don't use power. We don't quite have the generators.
Ah.
You're throwing mushrooms around.
I am.
Are you just like the chef here? Look at those T-bones. And they say we rough it on a boat.
I like this roughing it.
You like this roughing it? Mushrooms, zucchini, and T-bone steaks. Daisy's like, where's mine? Daisy, do you want some steak? What do you think? Do you want some steak, beautiful girl?
So Janice and I are having a nice evening out here, sitting watching some Sailing Le Vagabond, and Janice is enjoying her steak, and Daisy is enjoying watching her enjoy her steak.
I am so full. That T-bone was massively.
That was a big T-bone.
But Daisy's
I'm working on mine still.
Daisy's like, sit. One for you, one for me. You ready? Daisy, can I have my last piece? Are you ready?
Nom 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 nom. Wow, a dog that likes steak. Crazy.
Daisy, what do you think about the Christmas lights? What do you think there, dog? It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. This will be our first Christmas on board because we actually didn't get up to Alaska to pick up this boat till when we leave, Boxing Day. So we put up our Christmas light. I have to say, for the end of November, it was absolutely stunning morning. I grabbed my teacup and Daisy and I went for our morning walk. Daisy's been out there for about 3 hours so far, just standing there. Sometimes she'll run to the back, then she'll run to the front. And she just keeps an eye out on everything. Daisy, you want to go home? Daisy, you ready to go home? Everybody needs a pair of rubber boots. Rubber boots. Right, Daisy? Blaine, Josh, Izzy, and I love having the boat in Brentwood Bay. So on the way back, I said, heck, might as well show you our home. I thought I'd take you on a little tour with Daisy and just show you the houses around here. I especially love the lighthouse. Whenever we come in, Josh and Izzy always say, hey, look at the lighthouse. The guy takes such great care of it. And you can always know when the tide is up or down depending on how much of the lighthouse is showing. People living on their boats in Brentwood Bay is a bit of a hot topic. Some boats don't look quite up to standard for some of the residents of Brentwood Bay, but you know what, if you really talk to the people that live on the boats, they have such great stories and they're really interesting people, and really everybody's just kind of trying to live. And Blaine and I have to say we're truly blessed to be a part of this live aboard community in Brentwood Bay, so thanks everybody for including us. Daisy, come here. Hey, come here. Where'd Dad go? So on this weekend, we actually had 2 tenders out to the boat. So I got in first, and Daisy immediately jumped out of the tender and ran to the end of the dock to watch for Daddy to come in. Come here. You're not supposed to be in that boat. Daisy, come here. Get over here, you girl. Where's Dad? Who's that? The ride home was a bit tight because Josh just got his driver's license. So guess who had the car? Not us. What is this truck?
It's a Suzuki Carry.
The dog is fogging up the windows.
Very small. It just shows you how small this truck is.
She's fogging up the windows. Blaine, anything left?
Nothing left. Clear.
Clear right. Now you know why I drove. I don't want the big dog on my lap. Holy window fog.
Okay.